the use of number lines in the classroom. I've just given a very easy, but it's a year two question, a year two activity. 26 plus 12 equals 38. So what have we done here? We've partitioned 12 into 10 plus 1, into 10 plus 1 plus 1. And using the number line is once again a lovely, secure way of getting children to understand about number. So they have got 26. They start from 26. How do they know what number to start from? Well, if you've given them this calculation, then I always say, right, put 26 in your head, and then we're going to start counting on from 2. So the number that they've got in their head, that's the number that they start from. And then we can partition 12 into 10 plus 1 plus 1. If you've got 15, it could be 10 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. It depends on the child and what they know and what they are bringing. If I've got 42 plus 36, you can see what I've done here. I've broken up 36 into 20, 10, 5, and 1. But you might think, with the children that you're working with, and you might want to use the base 10 to support what they're doing, you might think it's better to have 10, 10, 10, 5, and 1. Whatever works best for the children or the child you are working with. If, for example, you were to ask them to represent 26 using the base 10, and then you were to give them 10 more and then 2 ones, do you think that would they be able to group all of their base 10 together and then count the total? The use of manipulatives, it can help that child to sort of secure that understanding and that knowledge. So if, for example, this is for everyone, a calculation like 26 plus 12, it could be a lot for the children that you're working with. So maybe you might want to think about scaling down the number, the start number. It could be a number that is, between 1 and 10. It could be 9 plus something else, 9 plus 9, so 5 and 2 and 1, or whatever. So you will know how to break down the number according to the level of ability of the children that you're working with. We're all going out into different schools and we're working with different abilities, and we're now bringing back what Angela said. Some children, the child that she's working with can't do 26 plus 12. So what do we do? So I just gave an example. What I would do is I might get 26 cubes, or I might get 26 of the base 10. So 2 rods, 2 10s and 6 ones. And then I'm going to put them at the end. I'm going to keep the jump. I'm going to add 10, another 10, another rod, and then 1 plus 1. And the child themselves can actually manipulate and then regroup and get the answer of 38.